Alright, welcome to our 20th lesson in science. I hope you're doing well. Now, look at the picture carefully. Viewer discretion is advised. What kind of skin disease is illustrated below? Alright, the answer is eczema. Eczema. Today we are looking at strand, humans and their environments, and in the substrand is diseases. So by the end of the lesson, you should be able to identify the causes of eczema, the symptoms of eczema, and preventions of eczema. So what is eczema? Of course, it is a skin disease. So it's a common skin condition marked by itchy and inflamed patches of skin. So inflamed here talks of swellings like pimples appearing on the skin. Now let's look at the causes of the disease. Know that eczema is not contagious, cannot be transmitted from one person to the other. Rather, eczema occurs as a result of abnormal response of the immune system to irritants or proteins in the body and other external stimuli. Now, irritants here comes from the use of some detergents or ointments which the skin becomes allergic to, and also proteins in the body and other external stimuli, that is external factors. Now let's look at some specific causes of eczema. So one, chemicals found in cleaners and detergents that dry out the skin. So not all chemicals used on the body are actually good for the skin. That is why it is advisable to see the dermatologist or the doctor that studies the skin to prescribe the right chemicals to use on your body as a cleaner. 2, rough, scratchy material like wool. You know there are some towels or some clothing that you put on that causes irritation of the skin. That can also trigger or cause abnormal immune response to the skin, causing eczema. Then synthetic fabrics. Raised body temperature can also lead to eczema. Sweating profusely. Sweating is good, but abnormal sweating can also lead to eczema. Then temperature changes. We have sudden drop in humidity. Now, humidity here refers to the amount of water vapor in the atmosphere. Changes in the amount of water vapor in the atmosphere, sudden changes can lead to occurrence of eczema on the skin. Stress, if you are stressed out, you have no rest, you are stressed out, restless, you can have what we call eczema. Then we have food allergies. Food allergies there are some certain food you eat that your skin becomes allergic to. So that can also trigger eczema formation in the body. Alright. Then we have upper respiratory infections. Upper respiratory infections. What we call common cold. Affecting the throat and the nose can also lead to formation of eczema. So looking at the causes, it is advisable to take precautions so that you not fall a victim of this unpleasant disease, skin disease. All right. We have symptoms of eczema. What shows that one has eczema? Good, there will be intense itching. Intense itching. Then there will be red or brownish gray patches on the skin. There will be small raised bumps that ooze fluid or called pus when scratched. In other words, when you scratch the raised bumps, you see some fluid coming out of the bumps, like I don't know how to, but some yellowish liquid coming out of it. That's called pus. Then thickened, scaly skin, as you saw in the picture under the lesson starter. Thickened, scaly skin. All right. I hope you don't want to fall a victim of this unpleasant skin disease. So let us look at some preventive measures to take against contracting eczema or getting eczema. Now we link up the prevention to the causes. So 1, avoid stress and have adequate sleep. Avoid stress and have adequate sleep. And also avoid irritants or chemicals like rough fabrics, harsh soaps, and detergents. And the use of recommended ointment or cream-based moisturizers. So as I said, there are some good cream-based moisturizers when used on the skin after bathing will prevent the occurrence of eczema. My dear learners, this is what time will have us. Today we look at the causes, symptoms, and ways of preventing eczema. You can as well discuss this with your daddy, mommy, or your sibling about the main causes, symptoms, and preventive measures against eczema. Now, answer the following questions. Describe the term eczema in simple sentence. And 2, mention 4 causes, 2 symptoms, and 2 prevention of eczema. Now, before I end the lesson, you can check the scoreboard. Try to remember the date you posted the assignment and check for the scores are ready to be viewed. Alright, till we meet again, stay safe. Bye-bye.